Hey guys, I want to show you real quickly how powerful Pinterest is to your drive market. So I'm going to dive in and show you right now a vacation rental company called Outer Banks Blue. You can see right away that they are getting 496 monthly views on their Pinterest account. This is so powerful. So if I go to their saved boards, you're gonna see what kind of boards they have, what kind of pin boards they have. They've got beach crafts, recipes, their Outer Banks of Love board, their quotes, of course their vacation rentals, restaurants, home decor, family vacations. You can completely diversify and own this channel by really getting in here and posting and creating pins. Now these guys aren't doing pin stories, but I highly suggest getting into pin stories because there is so much channel viewing going on here that this is a fantastic channel for you. Hey guys, I want to show you real quickly how powerful LinkedIn is and what posts you need to be creating or thinking about on your LinkedIn Business Voice channel. So I'm going to show you right now the Hilton and what they've done because they've done a pretty fantastic job of their post content. So I'm just going to head on over to the post here and you can see right away they have a quick video about updates for COVID-19 pandemic. They've got a splash out about a new VP. They've got a little photo of one of their destination properties. They've got another video and so on. Looks like, you know, something else about an award. And then of course a grand opening of one of their hotels. So this is how powerful LinkedIn is. And I just want to point that out because when you can have a strong business voice message here, it really says a lot to your credibility, your relatability, and the authenticity of you and your business. Not only for owners and future owners, but you know, current staff and future staff coming up. But to have a strong presence on LinkedIn is super important. Now, of course, the content may be a little bit different and you may not be posting 5 days a week, and that's okay. But value pieces of content every week, like the photos that you're seeing here or the videos that you're seeing here, like on the Hilton, is perfect for this kind of content. So that's why I wanted to dive in and quickly show you that it is possible and it's happening out there and it's gonna work great for you.